In this video, I will analyze which time is best for trading, particularly if you are a beginner. We'll explore the most popular times together: 1 minute, 3 minutes and 5 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to select the ideal trading time and profit with BoosterBot. Before we dive into the best trading times, I'd like to remind you that our team's Telegram channel, BoosterBot, is running a New Year's event right now. In this event, you can earn nice bonuses. For example, today's first task was to deposit $100. What did you get? From our team, you could get a 15% bonus added to your deposit. To join this event, it will be available all winter until New Year's. Just subscribe to our Telegram channel and stay updated. You just need to subscribe to our Telegram channel and keep up with the news. Moreover, we'll be sharing nice bonuses. In future videos, I'll show you how to pick the currency pair that's best for earning right now. In general, a lot of useful information awaits you in our Telegram channel. As you can see, some people are already earning well. So head over and subscribe to our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Now let's move on to the best trading times. First, we'll consider the best time for novice traders. Those with experience have learned to select times that work for them. If not, continue watching. We won't be using TradingView at this moment. We'll focus solely on Pocket Option. We're looking at 3-minute trades. Thus, I need to adjust the candles to 30 seconds to trade on 3-minute and 5-minute intervals. Next, I choose any currency pair that I like. I'll select the euro against the Australian dollar first, then I'll go to BoosterBot. I choose the same pair and set the time to 3 minutes. I receive a buy signal for 3 minutes and open my trade for 3 minutes right from here. So why is 3 minutes the most universal time for a beginner trader? It actually allows for many mistakes. If you open a trade for an increase in 1 minute, the price might go a little higher and you could close your trade at a loss. But in 3 minutes, the price compensates for its movement and you'll close in profit. That's why 3 minutes is the most versatile time for beginner traders. You can trade in any level of volatility as well. When you have high volumes, this usually happens when all banks are actively trading. You can also trade when volumes are very low and banks are inactive. This time works well for both situations. Next, we'll talk about 1 minute and 5 minutes, and you'll understand that 3 minutes is truly the most universal time for trading. The euro against the Australian dollar is rising, but the price is not moving in the right direction. Right at the last moment, the trade closes with a loss. It's a frustrating trade, but sadly it happens. Let's see another example of a 3-minute trade. Let's give BoosterBot a second chance, since you can see the trade closed at a loss at the last second. As I said, the price can go the wrong way and at the last moment move in the direction you need. But I was just unlucky by a few points and then the price goes up. It's a frustrating situation, but I won't be upset and will cover my loss. I picked the euro against the Swiss franc and switched to BoosterBot. I pick 3 minutes for the trade. I get a signal to buy. I open a buy trade for $1,000 from here. And as you can see, this trade has already earned me $910 and I cover my loss. Yes, indeed, 3 minutes for a trade is the most universal and safest time for a beginner trader. We have written about this many times in our Telegram channel, specifically in BoosterBot, so I remind you once again to subscribe to our Telegram channel to learn more useful news on how to work with BoosterBot and earn with it. Now we will move to 1 minute for the trade. This time frame is suitable for those who have experience in trading. I recommend working with this expiration time if you have opened a few trades and understand how to open a trade correctly. For instance, I choose the Euro Swiss franc and I get a signal to buy. Right from here I open a buy trade. For this time frame I need to use either 5-second or 15-second candles. I will use 5-second candles to make everything work even faster. 1 minute for a trade only works with large volumes. With small volumes, this time frame won't be effective. It only works with large volumes, and looking ahead, the situation will be the opposite at 5 minutes. For small volumes, this time works, but for large volumes, it won't be very accurate. To add this indicator, you need to visit TradingView and click on the Indicators tab, and then type in volumes. You'll add the volume indicator to your chart and understand when there are large or small volumes. This will help you earn more with BoosterBot. As you can see, 1 minute for a trade is a very quick time and is great for fast trading. So if you love fast trading or have very little time but need to earn quickly, then 1 minute for a trade is your choice. Now the most interesting thing is that 5 minutes for a trade doesn't work well with large volumes. As the market starts to fall a bit, I'll look for a currency pair with lower volumes and open a 5-minute trade. For a 5-minute trade, the British pound to Swiss franc is a good choice right now. Not perfect, but better than the other pairs. There's not much volatility here, although the dollar to Swiss franc has even lower volume. Therefore, we'll go with the British pound and Swiss franc. I'll wait for a signal from BoosterBot for 5 minutes, then switch to the broker and find this currency pair where it's hidden. I receive a sell signal and open my trade right from here. 5 minutes for a trade is ideal for managing my own affairs. You could say it's a mini passive income. You can use your phone to log into BoosterBot, get a 5-minute signal, and then open a trade. Again, everything from your mobile phone, and then you can do your own things, watch YouTube, listen to podcasts, watch movies, or stroll. You can work or even ride on public transport. Basically, this time doesn't limit you to the best entry points. I recommend using 5-second candles. They are the best entry points, but even if you don't use them, it's still fine. This time is perfect for beginner traders and also for experienced ones. Just remember that you shouldn't trade with very large volumes. In other words, when you see large volumes, avoid using 5 minutes. When volumes are decreasing a bit or very small, that's the best time for 5 minutes. Because BoosterBot analyzes for 5 minutes and strives to perform that analysis. However, during high volatility, BoosterBot, for example, did an analysis. Everything is fine, but at some point a very strong volume comes in, and thus a new analysis must be done. That's the only downside of 5-minute trades, so take this into account in your trading. And this 5-minute trade gives me $560. As you see, it's easy to earn with 5-minute trades. No effort is necessary. You open a 5-minute trade and carry on with your activities. Let's conclude. The best time for a new trader is 3 minutes for each trade, and 5 minutes too. If you have experience, then 1 minute or 3 minutes is preferable. When volatility is low, it means there's no volume and the chart is more or less stable. So we use 3 minutes and 5 minutes. When volumes are large and the chart shows significant movement, we use 1 minute and 3 minutes. As you can see, 3 minutes is the most universal time and is suitable for all beginner traders. So if you're just starting out, use 3 minutes. If you have some experience and you want to make money quickly, 1 minute is your best bet. If you have a lot of time or none at all and want to engage in passive income, then opt for 5 minutes per trade. BoosterBot shows great stats across all three timeframes, but it performs a bit better at 3 minutes than the other two, as there can be errors on entry points for our traders at 1 minute, and at 5 minutes there can be abrupt news that hinders our trades. So the choice remains with you. I've shared with you a complete breakdown of each time frame. Also, I remind you that you'll find more useful news in our Telegram channel. Additionally, there's a New Year's event going on right now, so contact our support account or simply join our Telegram channel to take part in this event. All useful links will be in the description and in the pinned comment. That's all for today. See you soon.